This one's a bigger setup. We're calling it the Dennis Den Porch. It's a 30x40x14 building designed to handle a mix of garage, storage, and shop space with a really clean porch layout built right into the front. One of the first things to notice on this one is the 14-foot leg height, which means this building is running double legs throughout. That gives it the added strength it needs at that height, but it also just makes the structure feel more solid overall. Across the front, you've got a full 40-foot porch, and instead of breaking that space up with extra legs, this one uses an 18x6.5 frame out to open things up. It gives you a much cleaner look across the front and makes that porch space way more usable. The building itself is fully enclosed with horizontal siding, paired with a black wainscot along the bottom. Even though wainscot isn't required with horizontal siding, adding it like this really helps break up the look and gives the building a more finished appearance. For access, there's a 12x12 roll-up door on the main structure with header seals, giving you plenty of clearance while still keeping things sealed up tight. You've also got four 4x2 windows installed, and since these aren't standard sizes, they were framed out specifically for this build. That's something we can help with. Customizing windows and doors to fit your layout and installing them to match the rest of the building cleanly. One of the details I always like to point out is the residential-style walk-in door. This one is double steel framed and set up as an in-swing with a threshold, which just gives it a more solid feel compared to the typical outswing doors you see on a lot of metal buildings. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. Easier to open and close, and a cleaner overall finish. This building is anchored to concrete with concrete anchors, and it also includes a moisture barrier on the roof, helping with condensation control and overall performance. Now, one thing that stands out on this install is the timeline. This one actually went up during a hailstorm, and the crew still had it finished in about 2.5 days. That says a lot about both the crew and the way these buildings are designed to go together. Looking at the layout, you can see how everything ties together with the main enclosed space in the back and that full-width porch up front. It's a really practical setup that gives you flexibility depending on how you want to use it. At the end of the day, this one does a great job combining size, strength, and usability, especially with that taller leg height and the open porch design. Simple concept, but executed really well.